una vez más. Okay, man. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing. All right. Hi, Crypto Learn 1. How are you, mate? Okay, man. Okay. Hala. How are you, Tudor? That's fine. All right. I'm gonna wait for just a second for people to join us. Pretty nice gold long that we have here. Brazil in the house. Now I'm not gonna do the Euro USD, mate. I trade the SP 500 at the open. Good morning. Gold chances of bullishness. I don't know. Who the fuck knows, mate? But this setup in particular has a probability of success of around 72%. If that is what you're asking. Orlando, how are you, mate? I'm fine. A little bit tired, but I'm okay. I am okay, mate. Hello, Orlando. Love the constant updates in the VIB group. Never let us in the blind. Keep up the good job. Well, Egotron, thank you. Thank you for the kind words. Well, we try, mate. We try to. Yeah, to deliver the best of the best. All right, so yes, this gold buys. This is pretty straightforward, right? The one that I sent on the free group and on the VIP group, right? Pretty much straightforward. Deep buys in gold. The reason that I'm taking off here is because of this area of supply that, well, it got mitigated, but it has held the supply, right? So I don't know. No one fucking knows if this area of supply is going to hold a supply again. So that's why my first targets are at the highs of the move. Also because I don't want to incur in another pullback before the move to the upside. So that's why. Right, on the S&P 500. Yes, again, this level is capping the upside on the US dollar, so pretty rangy USD today. I didn't trade the US dollar today, just super rangy. There were no high probability setups for me. Good morning, Orlando. Philippines is in the house. Keep sharing your strategies and knowledge on trading. You're the man. Learn to trade the best. Thank you, Ross Hart Fernando. I don't know why, but the Philippines has a ton of wording or Spanish words, right? So basically, how do you guys call the roast pork? It's the same word as in Spanish. We have a ton of similar words that mean the exact same thing. I'm sorry. So that I'm sorry. So that was oh shit! My coffee went through the wrong pipe. So we do have the S&P 500. Oh, I'm sorry. Like I told you, I'm just a little bit tired, mates. So the S&P 500 opened and it created these daily highs, right? I'm expecting these highs to break. I'm sorry, puta. I'm I'm expecting these highs to break. Here are the lows of the day. Of course, these are the lows of the day. I'm just pinpointing. Oh, I understand what happened here now. Let's look at some volume. The market opens in about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go into find some areas of demand, some area of demand. So this area of demand, we have one here, and of course we have this one right here. So two areas of demand. This is where the S&P 500 found buyers. So these areas already got mitigated, right? And basically, friends, what I'm looking here is this, right? The change of the character in this market could have been here. 24. No, the daily highs were here. I'm sorry. I told you. I'm still on my first coffee, and it's full. So you're going to have to. You're going to have to be patient with me. So what we are going to look for are areas of demand that this market might mitigate before the real move to the upside. I don't know if we have I haven't looked at silver, mate. I haven't looked at silver. A sliver. What I'm looking for is, yeah, and I focus on the S&P 500 on the New York Open. Let me just do this right. I don't want to misread the volume and miscalculate or misdraw my demand zones because I don't want to miss another fucking move. But I'll get to everything you guys want to know in a bit after I do my thing. All right, unmitigated areas of demand is what I'm looking for, right? Unmitigated. Yeah, very probably we're going to catch the dip towards the daily lows. This is what I'm going to do, right? So we are probably going to catch the dip towards the daily lows. So basically, this is Friday's. This is today's highs, guys. And hear me out. Here's my thought process on this. So here's today's highs. The weekend gap got filled. Of course, there is somewhat an imbalance here that hasn't been filled. An imbalance is a gap in the market, right? Here's the imbalance. This is too bright. It's way too bright. I hate brightness on my screens. Right, so this is the imbalance. I'll probably look for that imbalance along like I've always been doing, right? So basically, just a second. On Friday, I had that S&P 500 long. This is the same setup. I mean, the same fucking setup. Yeah, all right. This is the same setup. Imbalance here in the market, and we got the last break of the structure to the downside here, which means that the change of character in the market is at the break of the previous highs, right? The highs before the last change of the character, which is exactly where that imbalance was created, right? So this already has been confirmed with various breaks of the structure to the upside. Now we got liquidity being built up here. This is sell side liquidity, guys, right? These are, as I will always tell you, always look for people that are about to get fucked and then enter the fucking market, right? So basically, what I'm looking for is, where's the brush? Here. What I'm looking for is quite simple, guys. It's the same fucking setup. Now, I'm looking for this liquidity to get stripped, right? This sell side liquidity to get stripped, this imbalance to get filled, and then enter the market, right? So, almost dropped my coffee. So what I'm looking for here is the area of demand that I am going to enter at, and basically the area of demand should be something like this. Like this. Unmitigated area of demand, guys. Just below the liquidity, below the imbalance. Maybe I'm going to get an imbalance fill, an imbalance entry. I don't know. But what I'm pretty certain is that I already have my position sizing ready on the SP 500. Right, so let's just wait and see what happens. 5 minutes until the market opens. Gold, guys, gold. The reason that I didn't enter at market in gold and that I didn't put on a buy stop earlier in gold is because of this week's high. Now, what I saw. Let me show you what I was looking at here. Right, I was looking at gold here, so the mistake would have been to place a buy stop. Hold on, let me just a buy stop here at the highs of the move, with stop loss at the lows of the moves. Right? Why? Because this is just liquidity, guys. I mean, this is buy side liquidity that built up during the Asian session. And most likely that buy side liquidity is going to get swept or swept, or it's going to be taken out, right? It's going to be taken out on a wick, right? Not on a move. So basically, normally what happens is, hold on, is this is going to get this is going to be taken out, right, on a wick, which means on a trap, on a bull trap, before the actual move. And what happened was exactly that. Boom. So now that this happened, buy side liquidity is no longer available. Now we are expecting, or I am expecting, this liquidity to be taken out at the open. You're going to see that this is quite simple. And you either see the liquidity in the market or you are the liquidity in the market. So basically, this has been taken out. Now, what's going to happen here is that you can see that during the London session, sell side liquidity has been building up. So I'm expecting the same fucking thing as earlier, right? A move to the downside and then the move to the upside. Now, if this low gets taken out, then I'm going to delete my penny order, because that would mean that the bearish structure is still very much in play, and this is just liquidity traps, right? And I will look for longs lower. But this is a very good spot to buy, in my opinion, should everything plays out. Now, silver, someone spoke about silver. Yes, my Ross Hart Fernando, my main man from Philippines. Yeah, same fucking thing, right? Oh man, but this is much cleaner, right? Same thing, right? We have the highs, Fridays, or today's. I'm sorry, the lows. You know what? Let me just drink some fucking coffee. Ooh. We got the lows, then we got that liquidity being swept, taken out. The moves are smoother, but I very much like gold the best. Now, a quick look at crude oil before the market opens in seconds. We are seconds away from the market open, 10 seconds. Actually, let's have a look at the S&P 500. We are looking at the S&P 500. Damn it, don't tell me I was analyzing another market or the Russell. Damn it, I'm going to take a trade on the Russell 2000 then, because I was analyzing the Russell 2000, not the S&P 500. But you know what? It's the same thing. I'll do it very quietly. Well, the market just opened. I'll do it very quickly. We have that gap here. The gap here is much tighter, or the imbalance, right? We have that liquidity being built up here that it's about people are about to get fucked. Then same thing, right? Same thing. The change of the character in this market is exactly at the top of the imbalance, because the last break of the structure to the downside was here. Yeah, boom. Don't you worry. I mean, I am not going to take a trade at the moment, in the sense that I am waiting for price to swipe all of this. And, you know, well, now we are going to look for... why didn't anybody told me that I was looking at the Russell 2000? Damn it. And you know what? Why don't we take a Russell 2000 trade? I mean, should be good, right? Let's wait and see. Now, let's work with fibs on the last move. Boom, shaka. You know what? That's not my preferred zone. Wow. People are really getting fucked. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. No. We're going to trade the Russell 2000 today, mates. So, the Russell 2000 for me is... the US 2000, right? That's the Russell. So I'm not gonna place. This is a very strong move. I'm not gonna place a buy limit just yet. I mean, just yet. But this is looking good. I mean, the imbalance is about to get filled. This is not any. This is a demand area, mates. So I'm looking for plays around the 1733. This is looking good. The imbalance just got filled. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 still moving down. The Dow moving down. The Nasdaq moving down. Right, let's have a look at some volume here. Volume. I want to have a look at some volume on the 1 minute chart. I want to pinpoint those areas of demand as good as I can. So here we are. Boom, boom, boom. This is, my friends, the demand zone I am about to trade. Right, so there you go. Now, if this demand zone doesn't hold, my friends, then my long idea is no longer valid. But this, this is the demand zone that created that imbalance and that I am looking to trade, right? So basically on the Russell 2000, and don't worry, if price goes to the upside, and then we will find an entry no matter what, right? So here's the Russell 2000, and the Russell 2000 is the one that is leading. Yeah, I'm gonna place a buy limit. I just want to calculate my position size on the Russell, because I had my position size calculated on the fucking S&P 500, and you guys did not tell me. So basically, what I'm looking at here, stops are going to go below these lows. Yep, this is the one, 79. Now let me watch my Fibonacci's, my fibs. Now we're talking. So let me calculate, because I'm placing that buy. I'm right now indicating it, right. 1739. 1739, and what, 1732, 1732. Right, so here we go. The Russell 2000 trade is on, my friends. Now, what I'm waiting here, because, yes, this is what I'm waiting. I'm going to place a 0.5% entry right now at market. So that's a one lot for me. One lot right now, buy. Yeah, well, one lot was at 1%. Well, I'm going to send this to my VIPs. New VIP trade. Ross US 2000. Russell 2000. I enter at market. Well, damn it, I wasn't able to send it to my VIPs, but I'm up already 1%. Yeah, I'm up 1% on this trade. Amazing trade, guys. I am amazing setup. Congratulations to everybody that is with me on this trade. I'm taking off 75% of my trade here. 0.75% off. I'm about to take 0.75% off right now. Boom. So I just took 1% off of this trade, moving stop losses to break even now. I made money, you made money, we all made money. Boom, that's how you trade the fucking open on the New York session. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations to everybody on this trade with me. Sorry for all the VIPs, but you know, it's super fast. So it moves really fast. Moves really fast. But you know what? We made money today. We secured 1% in less than a minute. How do you like that? How do you like that? Now I'm going to let it. Oh boy. Now I'm going to let. Yeah, I don't have a take profit, mate. I don't have a take profit yet. That's a good question. Yeah. I'm sorry. That's a good question. Why don't we have a look at this? Should be a 161.8 of this move, right? Let's call it the daily highs. Sunday, the daily highs. Let's call the daily highs the 1763, right? 1763 should go. I'm gonna take the rest of it off at the 1763. If I get stopped out of break even on the rest, that's fine. But already made 1%. Nasdaq react. I mean, all of the markets are reacting basically the same. You know, if I mean, look at the SP 500. The SP 500 did not pan out, so that's a good thing that I hadn't drank my coffee yet, and I mistakenly started analyzing the Russell 2000. But you know what? That was an amazing trade, spot on trade. So basically, this trade already yield 1%, and I took 75% of it, right? Let me see, 75%, exactly 75% of it, and at about my entry was a little bit higher, mates, at about a 1.75. And I am looking at 5.5 R or so. So if you like, if you like these shows, make sure to leave a comment now. Make sure to leave a comment now. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, do everything. Let's take another one. Yeah. Shaped Morada or Shakida. I don't know. I don't have a buy limit spot, mate. Let's have a look at gold. Gold, we are about to get filled on gold. Gold, very on. Yeah. So congratulations to everybody on with the trade. Let's have let's play the money song.
Here comes the money.
Yeah. Here
we
comes
go.
the money.
Money talk.
Money, money, money,
Here
money.
comes the money. Money, money,
All right, let's look for more trades, pues. Now that I'm up. Pound yen, pound yen. I'm going to let everybody know that we took a trade on the Russell 2000, and then they all missed it because of this. Well, I'm about to get stopped out on the rest of my position at break even, which is fine. We made 1%. I'm going to just delete this so they can see what's going on at the moment. No. This is the trade I want them to see. I mean, I got stopped out on the rest of my position at break even. That's fine. That's fine. Sometimes, and that's that's the reason that and you know what? We might get a new entry here on the Russell. Who knows? We might get a new entry on the Russell. Let's just wait and see how this develops. Now, I'm not gonna re-enter, on a dip towards my buy zone when the previous low broke. So I'm not gonna enter 1%. This is live profits. Live profits. Live profits. Right, so we are going to wait and see. There you go. There's that liquidity sweep to the downside. Now we need to wait. Now what we need to do is just wait. Maybe we can get a much better entry after the sweep of this liquidity, something like this, right? And here, take that a very short, very low risk entry. Perfect. All right, so there you go. So gold looking very trappy to the upside, right? I don't understand people trading this fucking mess, but there's dumb people, dumb traders out there. So, oh boy, we do have an S&P 500 long, possible S&P 500 long right now. You know. Hold on, I just need to send a message here. I'm showing, the reason that I'm doing this because I want more people to come to my show, mates. That's the only reason I'm doing this. I mean, there you fucking go. I am smelling like a rose that somebody made. Right, so S&P 500, yes. Gold looking trappy, but not that trappy. Let's wait and see. S&P 500. Oh, I'm super hot. I'll be right back. I have to go take my hoodie off, and I'm not wearing a shirt. Oh boy, I'm not wearing a shirt. Boy, we missed that trade. That's fine. I don't see another trade. Congratulations, everybody, for the free money. Israel in the house. I don't know what happened to gold. Don't you have a chart to look at? Exactly, Jefe. Let's have a look at gold. Whoa, we are about to. I told you. Didn't I tell you about this? Didn't I tell you about this? Damn it, everything happened in a second. But there was no entry here for me to check. Now, what did I tell you earlier, right? Bear trap. Bear trap at the liquidity. And I think we are about to get triggered on those gold longs, my friends. The free trade. The free fucking trade. I'm not triggered yet. But yip, 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 yip. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfuckers. Right. So, yeah, we have a gold trade. What happened? Isaac, damn? You don't like it? All right. So, boom. Triggered. Triggered gold long, friends. A triggered gold long. So we made 1% today. That is a good trading day if you ask me. So, if you want to make money trading the open with me, I'll be here every day. I will be here every day. The setups are almost the same. We make money. Money, money, money. Oh, all right, Isaac. Okay, good. I don't think I'm gonna be trading anymore. But you know what? Why don't we have a look at what's going on in other markets? Yeah. I mean, it doesn't take. You don't have to be in front of your charts 24/7 to make money. You have to be in front of your chart when there's volatility because we are volatility hunters. That's what we do. We hunt for volatility. I don't understand. I don't understand traders. So-called fucking mentors in the market, right? That tell you to stay away during volatile. Don't trade the open. Don't trade the news. Fuck you. Of course I will. That's where money is made, in volatility. I mean, why would you want to trade a non-volatile market, right? I don't understand that. So, yeah. Trading the Japanese yen has been a fucking headache because of manipulations in this market. Just have a look at this. Yeah, it's gonna be a while since we trade. Since I trade. Since I'll place a trade. US dollar, Mexican peso, nothing going on. Euro, US dollar. Someone wanted me to look at the Euro, US dollar. The Euro versus the US dollar. All right. Damn it, my pound. Damn it, I missed it. Oh shit. I missed my pound trade. For fuck's sakes. I knew I should have placed my buy limits. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Well, you know what? Sometimes, and it's not that I missed it, but I forgot to place them at the open. I forgot to place them yesterday or Sunday. Well, that's fine. Euro US dollar. I mean, there's nothing that we can do here, right, on the Euro USD. Wow, gold turned on me. But I'm okay. I'm okay with this risk. It's not that it turned on me, but if we go to a lower time frames, this is pretty normal, right? Right. Let me explain to you what's going on here because I know some of you can't handle a little bit of a drawdown the fucking trade. So basically, that price trapped all the sellers here and then took out all of this liquidity just to come back to the it has to drop a little bit further, in my opinion, to this demand zone. It already mitigated it before the real move. So, yeah, I mean, and if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's okay. That's okay. I am okay with losing trades, you know. But what you need to understand is that if you trade blindly, right, without really analyzing the markets or what you're doing, you're going to burn your money. Yeah, I don't know. Stop asking stupid questions, Malak, please. I mean, GBP USD up or down. What the fuck is that? I mean, who? Don't you have a chart to watch? Why don't you tell me what you're looking at and we can have a smart discussion, right? I mean, those questions are just dumb. Are you asking those questions because you want to know if you should buy or sell right now? That's even dumber, right? What I can tell you is that I missed my entry because I forgot to place my buy limits. Yeah, that's what I can tell you. Now, let's have a look at US equities. A little bit choppy. Great trade on the Russell. I'm going to delete all of this now. Great reactive trade on the Russell, right? On that demand zone. Now, on the S&P 500 side, we have a great swing trade. We do have a great swing trade on the S&P 500 side that got triggered on Sunday here. And we are targeting a ton of pips, right? Also, if you haven't heard about the Dash 2 trade, the Dash 2 trade is a new token. It's on pre-sale right now, and you can actually win $150,000 worth of the Dash 2 trade token. The cool thing is that we are targeting a 2x on the launch and a 10x growth over the very short term. Now, the Dash 2 trade token is it's not just a token, right? This is a complete platform or trading terminal that we are launching earlier. We are launching very soon, very possibly at the beginning of next year on the first quarter, right? It's going to have everything, and the only way to be able to use it is if you have Dash 2 trade tokens. That's how you're going to pay for your access to our trading terminal, where we are going to give our signals, are basically we're moving everything towards that terminal, right? Live shows, etc. So, no, I mean, not only the way to pay for your entries. So instead of paying, for the VIP or for a news terminal with US dollars, you're going to have everything in one place on our Dash 2 trade. And the only way to pay it is with Dash 2 trade tokens. That's it. And the cool thing is that you are going to be able to grow your capital with the growth of the token, right? So if you start now buying your tokens now, it's one token is about five USDT. 0.05 USDT. And you can, I mean, if you start buying them now, you can grow your capital and participate in this giveaway, mates. I mean, it's a win-win. All right, go back to my entry. Who said a little bit of a drawdown with something to be fearful of? No one that really trades ever. Now, could we have had a better entry? No, I don't think so. I'm fine with that breakout trade. I'm in the money. No, the VIP groups are not going to stop, mate. Are not going to stop. The signals groups are not going to stop. Don't worry about it. Right? Uh huh. So, and if you want to be part of the VIP team, I mean, you already saw what we do, right? We make money. Here are what VIPs have to say about this. 10 out of 10 for beginning to experts. Very simple and effective trading 4 days ago, as you can see. Very skeptical at first, but very pleased 4 days ago. Of course, there's always one, and I'm not gonna hide, the bad reviews, but very bad signal provider. This is, in fact, I bet you that these are, our competition trying to fuck with our review score, right? Because I mean, it's impossible that we have tons of very good um, profit help. I mean, 5-star reviews, and we have one trader that says that we suck, and also. He said, "I am a VIP member. They only advertise the F1 strategy, which never works, and we search for him or her in our F1 strategy members, and he hasn't even bought the strategy. So fuck you, right?" And here's another one. I mean, if you use a code, you can get a refund made. Hey, got my review on the live show, Steven. You have a review here, Steven? Oh, yes. This is Steven. All right, so we have that gold. I mean, it's worth it. It's only 40 pounds, mates, a month. And there's years and years of experience behind our trading team. Yeah, I mean, we really, really, really know what we're doing. So it's up to you if you want to be part of something great. Right, gold, my friends, gold, go, 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 gold, go, 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 gold. Gold is a goner. I'm not gonna move my stops. I am not going to move my stops. Very possibly we'll close a trade at break even should these lows fail to hold, but everything is looking fine. Everything is looking fine, fine, fine. Right? Yeah, I don't think I'll be taking another trade. I'm happy with making money and not giving it away. Plus, I do have this gold long still in the works, still in the fucking works. Right. Okay, so also, why don't you, if you haven't done so, just go to our Instagram and, follow us there. I'm trying to grow this Instagram organically. I'm not gonna pay for fake followers ever. We don't do that, but I would appreciate a follow. Uh, um, you know, I'm doing this kind of content. I do live Instagram shows. I mean, not shows, but market chatter. Yeah, I'm trying to do some Instagram only content. So if you follow us there, I'll make sure to create some great promotions there. All right, so I don't think I'm gonna be trading anymore. This the all indices failed to move higher. Uh, the Dow is the one leading the upside. When last week it was the Russell 2000. I mean, we already made money. 1% is 1%. That's good. You thank you. You're welcome for the free money. And yeah, don't forget that we do trade every day, and we do send signals every day to our VIP. So if you want that, just subscribe to the VIP group. Um, the link is this one right here. There's no promo codes whatsoever, and I don't think I'm gonna launch promo codes. You can have a 10% discount if you use the promo code YouTube though. That is something only for my YouTube friends. Just use your code YouTube. I'll show you how it's done. I'll show you how it's done. So you go to the link and you have to choose. You have to choose the monthly subscription, right? And click here. Enter a coupon code YouTube. Uh, shit. YouTube. Boom. Apply coupon. Coupon applied successfully, and you get a 10% discount. I know it's not much, but it's still a discount, and that's something that you get just because you're here. So on the Russell 2000, this supply zone still holding. I'm eyeballing the supply area. It's not exact by any means, but happy that we made money. Money. So thank you for joining me again, guys. I'll be back tomorrow at the open. Don't forget that. That's where we try to find some volatility trades and to make money. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And if you're not subscribed to the VIP channel, there you go. Just click the link and use the code YouTube for that discount. Cheers.